Hello everyone. This video is intended for you to see how campaign websites are actually, not how they're made, but what they should look like. You will be using Weebly, which is a much simpler website application. But today I just want to show you a couple things you need to have in your websites. And these are both good and bad examples of what you're looking for. So I will post a link to this website in Google Classroom. But for now, just take a look at a few of them. We'll take a look at a few of them together. So we will start with Peter Gallego. So you see with his website, there's a sign up. For yours, we're not looking for a sign up. Yours is more in support, not the actual congressman's or the presidential website. But one thing you do want to have is a little bit of news about them. So you don't have to show their Twitter account, you don't have to show their Facebook account. But you do want to just give some background about them. So his website isn't great because he doesn't have the background on his homepage. So you can add this, or you can have it on your first page. It's up to you, as long as you have something about his personality. So who's his person? So a couple of paragraphs. For Pete, this is a very good example because it shows a lot about the person. Because remember, with politics, the person is just as important as their issues. So you see a little bit about them heading to Congress, who the person is. You see down here what other people are saying. Again, not something you really need. For you, you want to make sure you're using pictures of the congressman, but be careful. You don't really want to show pictures of their family, because again, you don't personally know the person, but it's still a good idea to have just basic pictures so you can introduce who they are. So if we go back to the other website, there's a bunch more. This is probably 25 different websites. So we'll go to Sherry Bustos for our next one. With Sherry, what we're looking for here is, she doesn't have it either, which isn't great. We're looking for the issues that they have. So here you see her priorities, but in general, you want to be bigger about this. So you want to have them have their own part for just the issues. Whoops, we don't want to go to the Democratic Party. We want actual people. So let's check out Scott Peters for Congress. Here we go. You see right here, he has the issues, and he has a list of all different issues. So for you, you don't have to go into detail that much. You don't have to break down to each individual issue, but you do need to have how they feel about the important things on your websites. So with Scott, this is a lot more information than you need. You only need a paragraph or two, just describing how they feel about each individual part. Another thing you're going to want to have on here is if they have any endorsements. So we've looked at interest groups, we've looked at lobbying. What interest groups have partially funded your candidate? So that's where you'll put something on there about that. And again, on Weebly, it's a lot simpler. You can create your own site. And there'll be another video of how to create Weeblies a little bit later on. But now we're just looking for, this is for your research. Alright, so that does it for this video. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Or if you are ready to start the Weebly, send me an email and I will upload the Weebly video. So I will post the New Media's campaign to Google Classroom so you can take a look. And remember to follow the rubric. So these are all examples of what you need, but the rubric is what you really need to follow. These are kind of what they look like. Rubric is everything that you specifically need. Thank you.